It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Quite a moment for our little channel here on YouTube when a company like Aldi reach out to us on social media and say, hey, would you like to try some of our Oktoberfest beers for 2024? So I was dead excited, kind of a landmark moment for the channel in a way that first and foremost we will always be 100% independent. I've always bought my Aldi products myself with my own money. This was I think a one-off beer thing that they got some Oktoberfest beers in Aldi and they were like, right, do you want to try them? I will always disclose on the channel going forward what's been sent to me, what hasn't. I always do, whether I bought it, whether it's been sent to me. I don't know what's in here, so without further ado, let's get it open. Let's have a look. I say it's a landmark on the channel, only that it's nice that what we do here on YouTube is being noticed a little bit. It's quite a nice feeling. Not only. Oh, look, they've actually sent me some Aldi snacks. How cool is this? So we got some currywurst sausage, crinkle cut crisps, the Aldi specially selected. Of course, currywurst, Oktoberfest goes very well together, doesn't it? Got some mixed nuts, great for nibbling, of course, great for beer. The foodie market. All the crisps are around £1.20-ish a bag. Some salted giant pressed pretzels, Oktoberfest, German style. Look at this. Bratwurst sausage flavour. What were these ones? Oh, currywurst. So we got currywurst and bratwurst to show you. And now the beers. Maybe even a glass. This is nice. Oh man. Look at that. At Real Ale Guide. They've actually made me an Aldi personalised mug. How fantastic. Thank you. And now for the beers. I'm hoping, Aldi of course being a German supermarket, I'm kind of hoping that we're going to get some like proper unique German beers. Rheinbacher Weissbier. Of course, Weissbier, great beer. Love Weissbier, big fan of the Rheinbacher. This is, top of my head, about £1, between £1.20 and £1.40 a bottle in Aldi. It's a really nice Weissbier actually. I'm a fan. Rheinbacher Pilsner. Again, between £1.20 and £1.40 a bottle, 4.5% ABV. Very nice cold, very nice when it's refrigerated, very good beer. And of course with Aldi, great value for money. Now this looks pretty, ooh, this might be, is this, now then. This is Steinhauser. I've actually just released the Steinhauser video in terms of new version and an older batch of the beer. So have a look at that on the channel. And last but not least, I think this might, this is a 0% Pilsner. This is a hello from Aldi, I think. I think this is Aldi here saying, we've seen your videos, we've seen what you do on YouTube in terms of beer. Hello from us at Aldi, and that's quite a nice kind of little reach out, isn't it? That's quite kind of in terms of kind of speaking to a great big international company. They're in America now, like Aldi. It is great. I think it's great from the chat for the channel. Always, as always, we will always go forward. We will always be independent. We will always discuss where our products come from, whether I bought them myself, whether they were kindly donated to me, sent to me by Aldi. Oktoberfest, Aldi, right. As a lager than life beer enthusiast, we wanted to send you the ultimate Oktoberfest box, packed full of beers and snacks, as well as your own personalised glass. We can't wait to see you, or your at-home celebrations. Don't forget to tag Aldi UK. Love, the Aldi PR team. There we go. We will, absolutely. Aldi UK will definitely do that. I just finished reviewing the Aldi trainers that I picked up for £8.99. That was finished this morning, so that was a bit of fun. Trainers are good, trainers are decent. £8.99, covered in Aldi badges. Great sense of humour, I love it. But yeah, that's it. I mean, what I'm going to probably do now is just cool everything down, put everything in the fridge, cool it down, eat some pretzels and drink some of the beer and eat some of the crisps and do one big massive review. Why not? We'll do one big video perhaps tomorrow. Right, I've done a little bit of digging, and it turns out that there are going to be some Oktoberfest beers on the 26th of September 2024. It looks like Erdinger Oktoberfest is going to be there. At least I'm going to be hoping for some more beers for this Oktoberfest festival from Aldi. There's also some, I think they pronounce it as Frickelden. It's like a potato and meat product that comes in a pack. That looks really good. So hopefully there's going to be some Oktoberfest foods. But I just wanted to go away, have a little look on the internet, see what I can dig out, see what I can find. Yeah, it looks like there's going to be something happening on the 26th of September 2024. So have a look. We've got our pretzels and stuff for now to get on with. But yeah, thanks for watching. Boom, cheers.